Thanks for joining us, 2K sports fans, for another exciting presentation of NBA basketball. We've got Washington and Memphis.
Here we go.
And so off the tip, it's Washington's ball. To the right side. Uncovered. Fisher can't hit.
And that was an easy one there, just a missed opportunity.
If you give it to him, he'll take that shot every time down the floor.
Oh,
okay.
Wow.
Okay.
Oh, he is a highlight reel unto himself, guys.
That could be a contender for the dunk of the year, I think. Here's Durant. Off to a good start as he hits his first shot attempt.
And where's the help? Obviously, a missed rotation, something they're going to want to patch up.
Only the first quarter. Guys are getting in a groove, but communication on the defense has to be better.
Bryant dishes to Carmelo. One up, one down, 2 points with his first shot this game.
Boy, he reads the defense well, makes a nice adjustment. Very dependable.
And now, just over a minute played here in the first. Armstrong passes to Vucevic. And the rejection by Cousins. And Bryant wide open. He shoots. And that comes off the assist by Russell Westbrook. Bryant's got 5.
And they can't allow him too many open looks like that. That's just inviting trouble.
Little over a minute 30 into this first quarter. He kicks it to Carmelo. In the corner, it's Westbrook. And again, it's Memphis with the 3.
And it just seems that every pass they make is leading to a score. Just great ball movement. And he just leaves the D in the dust and explodes to the basket.
You're right. Maybe a momentum changer right there, huh?
I think it very well could be. That might be the game-changing play that helps push them over the top.
Out to Wallace. 6 on the shot clock.
About that athletic.
Way up there.
Wow, and that sort of showmanship is just deflating right now to a team trying to get back into a game like this.
Ouch, Greg, that is definitely an emphasis jam. A big apostrophe or exclamation point, maybe even a question mark. And he makes the bucket, drew contact, and gets the whistle too. And that sends Kobe to the free throw line. That's on Derek Fisher. James checked in for Memphis. Memphis shooting their first free throw of the game here. Washington trails by 11. Here's Valanciunas. Westbrook pulls it in.
A high percentage look from the mid-range. Might have been surprised that he was so wide open.
And when you build a big lead like this, especially early, you have to guard against the letdown.
Yeah, this is where it gets interesting. Do they start to coast, or do they go right for the juggler?
They need this. Clock at 6. Free throw line jump shot. Comes out of the gate empty. He's 0 for 1. LeBron is doubled. To the paint. Wallace kicks to Westbrook. Back to Wallace. With the fadeaway. Here's Cousins. Second chance shot. That's good from Wallace on the assist by Cousins. And that's now 7 points for Wallace.
How about the passing? They are moving the ball without any thought, without any individual agendas.
That doesn't go in either for Irving. Here's LeBron. Rebound by Parker. Washington trails by 16. Irving dishes to Murray. And he gets it to go from the corner.
Well, not the best look they can get, but at the end of the day, it's all about shot making.
Irving against Westbrook. Some solid defense there from Irving.
Yeah, the aggressive D inside leads to a missed opportunity there.
You know, he had terrific position, does a good job of affecting the shot without fouling.
Just 1 second between the shot clock and game clock. Here's Antetokounmpo. It's rebounded by Memphis.
Just doing the job on the backboard.
Count that one.
And from the opening tip, they have been in complete control of this one.
Dominate on the court, and it's showing up on the scoreboard. Let's see if they can maintain this level of intensity.
To the middle. Here's Cousins.
And guys, he's not an easy man to stop when he's got the rim in his sights.
Never has been, never will be. He is a determined finisher. So as we end the first quarter, already a double-digit ball game. Memphis up. Welcome back, folks. We'll see if we're in store for a more tightly contested quarter as we move. And so it's Memphis with it. 16-point lead, the largest margin in the game. Jimmy Butler is out there with Chambers. Then there's Dwayne Wade. Then there's Shaquille O'Neal. And it's Lowry in at the point. That's the group for Memphis to kick off the second quarter. Here's Wilkins. And Wilkins with the stuff.
Well, and he breaks out the tomahawk. No soft finish there. Pure power.
Yeah, we could feel that one all the way over here. And the dunk by O'Neal.
And the pass there floated it up to the precise spot it needed to be.
And no messing around on the finish. He powers it through. Irving against Lowry. Outside Irving. 5 to shoot. It's Wilkins with the drive. And it's sent back by O'Neal.
Solid rebound there. And with the score like it is, that's an area where they can't afford to get lazy. And a lot to like about that play, particularly how it ends.
Yeah, at the rack. That's what you want in transition, a high percentage look.
Washington shooting their first free throws. First trip to the line in this one. Fisher's checked in for Washington. Armstrong comes in for Irving. Memphis leading by 19. Armstrong against Lowry. The dish now to O'Neal. And there's the pass to Chambers. And a kind roll that time off the rim as that one falls.
Nice pass there to set that basket up.
Here's Wilkins. And Wilkins slams it in.
You get a chance to see the elite court vision there. Excellent pass.
Lowry against Armstrong. Butler kicks to Lowry. Feeds it to O'Neal. Porzingis with the steal. Butler with the steal. Shaq with it. Gasol covering. Chambers against Wilkins. Chambers can't make the basket. Washington trails by 19. Gasol passes to Armstrong. The three-pointer no good. Butler against Wilkins. Pass to Chambers. The shot's good on the assist by Butler. Chambers got 6 here in this quarter.
Yeah, the chemistry has been terrific. Really impressed with their offensive execution.
Here's Butler. Lays it up and banks it in.
And the crisp passing has opened things up for them offensively.
Out to Porzingis. Nice ball movement by Washington. Here's Wilkins. And it's sent back by O'Neal. Wade outside. Down low. Chambers can't make the basket.
And the play looked good there for a second, just couldn't finish.
Well, the pass has to be on point. Then the catch and flush just doesn't work out here.
And they've got a big lead, not just on the scoreboard, but really in the rebounding numbers as well.
Gasol with the steal. Here's Fisher. That one misses. And it's Memphis the other way. Wade dishes to O'Neal. And it goes out of bounds. Last touch by Wade. Some changes for Memphis. Jefferson comes in for Jimmy Butler. And it's Richardson in for Dwayne Wade. And then for Washington, Vucevic checked in for Gasol. Markkanen comes in for Porzingis. And Kevin Durant is subbed in for Wilkins. Lowry kicks to Richardson. Outside Jefferson. And Lowry has it in the corner. And that's out of bounds. Memphis will retain possession.
Just active defensively here, being extremely disruptive.
You know, I love the effort just to get a hand in there. He is disrupting the offensive flow.
Catching up on the changes for Memphis. DeMarcus Cousins is checked in for O'Neal. James comes in for Chambers. And it's Russell Westbrook in for Kyle Lowry.
Oh, fantastic dunk. And he hangs around up there just for a little camera time.
Yeah, maybe he didn't want to land awkwardly. Who knows? But there he is, and we see it very clearly. Stolen by Markkanen. 8-second difference between the shot clock and the game clock. Irving can't get it to go.
Yeah, not a great shot there, especially when you got a lockdown defender guarding you.
You know, there's no shame in passing out in that situation. Leave your ego at the door.
Here's Richardson. They grab their own miss. The kick out to Westbrook. Cousins, no one around him. That's good, and so Westbrook comes up with the assist. Westbrook's got his 5th assist in this one. And so a pretty lopsided game through the first half. Memphis out in front, running away with it. We've got more NBA basketball coming your way in just a minute. Well, it's been a one-sided affair so far through the first 2 quarters, but there's play. So on the floor for Washington, we've got Durant. Vucevic is out there with Markkanen. Then it's Fisher. And it's Armstrong in at the point. Here's Bryant. Solid play in the low block, and that one's good. Bryant's got his team on the board first here in the second half for Memphis. Here's Armstrong from outside off the mark.
Well, they've been better than good on the glass today, and there is a glaring discrepancy between these two teams in that area.
Armstrong against Westbrook. Pass to Cousins. 4 on the clock. And a foul called on the shot. Got him on the way up that time, so he'll shoot 2 right here.
Yeah, nice, strong finish there. Nearly a 3-point opportunity.
And he knocks down the first one. And he makes the first, but misses the second. Fires for 3. Fisher can't hit. And so here's Memphis. Anthony on the wing. And that's out of bounds. Memphis will retain possession. And about a minute of action so far in the third quarter. Screen by Cousins. Westbrook, no good. Here's Washington now. They need a good offensive possession.
Yeah, they've gone a long time without a bucket.
And that one's good from Fisher.
How can you forget about him? I mean, he's not going to miss that open of a look.
Kicks it to Carmelo. 18 feet out. No good. Shot missing. Now Washington takes it the other way. Here's Armstrong. No good from outside.
Yeah, the offense scuffling a bit to start this second half. Only one for the first 5.
And that's out of bounds. Memphis will retain possession. Some changes for Memphis. Shaq's checked in for Cousins. Dwayne Wade comes in for Wallace. And it's Kyle Lowry in for Russell Westbrook. And then for Washington, Valanciunas, he's checked in for Vucevic. Parker comes in for Markkanen. And Antetokounmpo subbed in for Durant. Wade passes to Bryant. Lowry has the open look. That's in, coming off an assist from Bryant. Lowry's got 5.
Yeah, clearly a defensive lapse there. He is automatic from deep if you're going to leave him that wide open. Big time mistake.
It's Carmelo Anthony on the wing. He's covered by Armstrong. Lowry dishes to Anthony. Jabari Parker comes up with the rebound. Here's Antetokounmpo, and he lays it straight in.
Yeah, I love the communication and the chemistry between those teammates.
Lowry kicks to Wade. Passes to Kobe. Shaq with the screen. Here's Bryant. Antetokounmpo pulls it in, and Washington has possession. Their defense has only allowed 6 points in the second half, and there's the call on Giannis Antetokounmpo. That's his first foul. Some changes for Memphis. James checked in for Anthony. Jefferson comes in for Bryant, and it's Richardson in for Dwayne Wade. And then for Washington, Murray comes in for Derek Fisher. And it's Kyrie Irving in for Armstrong.
And that dunk reverberated throughout this entire building.
It sure did. Up high and down hard on the windmill flush. LeBron against Parker. It's LeBron with the drive. And oh boy, a lot of contact there, but he gets the call and will shoot 2. It's on Jabari Parker. Memphis shooting their 4th and 5th shots at the foul line in the game. Free throw good, LeBron. Both good from the line that time. And it's Washington's ball. Irving passes to Parker. Yes, and it's Irving picking up the assist.
And that tells the tale here today, guys. Throughout this game, they've been able to get the ball in tight and finish.
The feed to LeBron. And the rejection by Valanciunas. Here's Antetokounmpo. And the shot no good, a bit short. This could get even more out of hand if they continue to put up points.
Wow, Kevin, what a performance we are seeing.
Memphis shooting their 6th and 7th free throw attempts tonight. And the first one at the line is good. Chambers is checked in for O'Neal. That one falls, so he hits both of them.
And they're drawing more whistles and working their way to the line here in the second half.
Irving drives in, and the basket is good.
They are just killing them on the interior.
6 seconds separating the shot and game clocks. Shoots off the step back. Lowry can't get it to go.
Not sure of the thought process on that one. Really bad shot selection.
Well, you're playing for the team, not just yourself. They needed much better execution that trip down the floor.
Here's LeBron. Gets it to go from 18 feet away.
Yeah, you see the killer instinct. He's going for the death blow.
True story.